Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Sylvi Agent token. Ticker symbol is Sylvi AI, SYLVI all one word, and this token is on the Solana blockchain, and it's doing very well. Today they have a 24-hour trading volume of $8.3 million. These AI agent tokens are very popular right now. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, Sylvi is an advanced agent that delivers short, data-driven insights about various topics, especially crypto markets and financial events. It scans social channels like Twitter, X, Telegram, Discord, etc., detects trends, and posts responses with their character limits. It has narrative analysis, so uses AI models to interpret market sentiment, chart data, and user discussions. Has fact checking, integrates an internal mechanism for a separate fact engine to evaluate credibility of news or claims. Chart updates, provides brief symbol-based insights, such as up, down, to show possible uptrends or downtrends. Also, the key abilities here, social listening. So monitors mentions, keywords, and hashtags in real time, or near real time. Market insights, quickly summarizes technical analysis. Alerting, notifies users of big market changes or suspicious rumors flagged by the verification system. Simple deployment. Users can configure Sylvi Agent with a minimal technical knowledge if they use the no-code builder. So the typical use cases for crypto traders: receive short-term signals or warnings about liquidity changes. Brand owners track brand mentions and respond swiftly. Influencers publish curated news or share relevant content with followers. General enthusiasts stay informed about the manual filtering multiple news feeds. And this token here has a Telegram if you want to follow that at Sylvi_agent, 590 subscribers. You could preview the channel before joining. That's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project, like new partnerships, token listing announcements, things like that. Now, this token pair was actually just created 1 day, 6 hours ago on RAYDIUM. So this is a very brand new token. They have a market cap and a fully diluted valuation of $1.4 million right now. $8.3 million trading volume with 48,587 transactions today. Token price $0.0014 USD. They have $176,000 worth of liquidity in RAYDIUM, and according to Dex Screener, 99.88% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. And if you're looking to get this token here, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Solflare wallet, Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, or MetaMask wallet. And you could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund your wallet with Sol. Now you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, And there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with SOL, you'd go into the dApps, you would find RAYDIUM, and then using the contract address that you could find on their SolScan, BirdEye, Dex Tools, Dex Screener chart, or right there on their Twitter. Real easy to find on the Twitter there at Sylvi_agent. It's the one that ends in pump right there. That's because this token was created on pump.fun, a web page for creating Solana meme coins. You would then trade your SOL for the Sylvi AI token using that contract address. And it says the first Solana AI monitoring agent with real-time data insights using Fact Engine, next update, auto reply. So this is the automated AI agent X profile here. And it says automated by @Sylvi_terminal. Blue verified checkmark, 353 posts. Just joined in December 2024, 1,881 followers. So they have here, the webpage is sylvi.tech. And if you go over there, you could find a Twitter, Telegram, YouTube channel, GitHub, contract address, the framework, buy the token, all sorts of stuff there. So it says here, this is all cut off for some reason. I don't know why that's there. So they have skills and plugins section. So it says agents extend their functionality through discrete skill modules. Each skill is typically a self-contained Python module that implements action or output, for instance, get tweets or reply to mentions, integration. The skill coordinates of the external APIs, your local processes, and return data. The skill structures output in standard format so the agent can interpret or route it. And then they have the plugin examples. So then they have here a quick start guide. And so you'll be able to use this soon here. They talk about Docker, ensure Docker is installed and running, and then Python, Poetry, etc. Create a project directory. So the architecture overview, they go over the database, the API server, autonomous scheduler, Twitter service, admin interface, etc. So they actually have the partners are built using Coinbase, Solana, OpenAI, Pydantic, Tweepy, and LangChain. So the agent capabilities operates autonomously based on predefined rules. Markets monitoring handles social media interactions and blockchain tasks, automated responses and engagement, enterprise-ready architecture, and she loves the community. So go check this token out. They got a huge roadmap on their webpage too, sylvi.tech. Go check that out. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.